Hi friends, in the last video we have covered 20 words of letter A. The video link is in the description below. Today we will discuss vocabulary of letter A part 2. Let's start. Abrogate means abolish or cancel. Split it as A plus bro plus gate. Imagine a girl's brother is there at home, and if her boyfriend comes to meet at their house gate, then she would message him to cancel the meeting. So, the word abrogate means to cancel or abolish something. Abscission means cutting off or separation. Split it as ab plus scission. Scission sounds like scissors. What does a scissor do? Cut something into two separate things. So, abscission means cutting off or separation. Abscond means depart secretly and hide. Split it as ab plus scond. Relate ab to absent and scond to second. When will someone be absent in a second? When they steal something, they will secretly leave and hide. So, abscond means depart secretly and hide. Absolute means complete. Split it as ab plus solute. Solute sounds like salute. We usually salute people when they have complete power. So, absolute means complete. Absolve means pardon. Split it as ab plus solve. When you solve a difficult problem in class, teacher pardons you even if you didn't do homework. So, absolve means pardon. Absolve is generally used in case of offense. Abstain means refrain oneself from doing something. Split it as ab plus stain. Stain means discolor with something that is not easily removed. When children go to play, what does mother say? To stay away from activities that stain your clothes. So, the meaning of the word abstain is to refrain. Abstemious means sparing in eating and drinking. Split it as ab plus stemious. Relate ab to abs and stemious to stamina. If you want stamina to build your abs, then you have to be careful with your diet. So, abstemious means someone who is moderate in their consumption of food and beverage. Abstinence means restraint from eating or drinking. Split it as ab plus stinence. Stinence sound something like stringence, which means strictness. Due to poor immunity, you have to follow strict diet provided by your doctor. Abstinence is specially related to abstaining from alcohol. Abstract means theoretical or not concrete. Abstract sounds like extract. We can't extract anything exact from an abstract theory. So, abstract means something which is not concrete. Abstruse means difficult to understand. Split it as ab plus str plus use. Ab is used in negative sense. str. Relate str to structure. Which structure can be used? A machine. str plus use. Related to machine usage. And app means those machines usage is difficult to understand. So abstruse means difficult to understand. Abut means border upon or adjoin. Split it as a plus but. But sounds like but, which means buttocks. Buttocks are two rounded portions of the exterior anatomy of most mammals which are adjoined. They are marked by a boundary between them. So, you get the meaning of the word abut, that is, to border upon. Abysmal means bottomless. Split it as a plus b's plus mal. B's sound like bees in Hindi, it means 20. Mal sounds like mile, which is related to distance. When a bee's mile hole is dug in the ground, it looks like bottomless. So, abysmal means bottomless. Abyss means vast bottomless pit. Split it as a plus bis. Here also we will relate bis to bees. In Hindi it means 20. Relate it to abysmal, which we have studied earlier. So, abyss means vast bottomless pit. Acid means agree. Acid sounds like acid. If someone has acid in his hands, then people will agree to whatever he says with fear. So, acid means agree. Accelerate means move faster. This is a frequent word we use while driving. If we want to overtake others while driving, what do we say in Hindi? Acceleration badao. So, accelerate means move faster. Accentuate means to emphasize or stress. Split it as AC plus cent plus 8. Relate cent to percent. 8 is the past tense of eat. Imagine someone said that he ate 50% of the total pizza. Means he is stressing on the exact quantity. So, accentuate means to emphasize or stress. Accessible means easy to approach. Split it as access plus able. Able sounds like able. If someone is having access to internet, that means he is able to do online coaching. So, it has now made him easy to learn many things because internet is accessible. So, accessible means easy to approach. Accessory means additional object, useful but not essential thing. Split it as access plus ORY. Access sounds like excess. Relate ORY to ornaments. So, excess ornaments are additional objects that look good but are not essential. So, accessory means additional object. Acclaim means praise enthusiastically and publicly. Split it as A plus claim. Claim means a statement made about something which is true. Suppose you made a claim that you have discovered antidote for COVID-19, then everybody will praise you. So, acclaim means to praise. Acclimate means adjust to climate. Split it as AC related to according plus climate. According to the climate, we have to adjust ourselves. So, acclimate means to adjust to the climate. Subscribe to Vocab Guide for regular updates. Thank you.